sekarang ya. Pasal semalam saya termasak itu cucur bawang dan sangat sedap saya rasa. So today I went to Tesco and bought two more. Actually they are two separate brand. I thought they are the same. This one is Dr. Utker, and this one is Adabi. So cucur lemak manis and then tepung cucur. I don't know. Oh, dia bilang cuma tambah air. Just add water. This one also the same lah. So yesterday it was Adabi brand and the cucur bawang was super delicious. I cooked like saya goreng dalam 8 ataupun 10 biji. And today I want to try, I think I will try this one because I never tried this brand. It's from Nona, Dr. Utker. So let's see what happened. So this tepung cucur by Nona, Dr. Utker, requires you to add just water, and it's 110 ml of water. Water is ready, so I'll just put the spoon next to it. Right, add the water. Since saya tidak tahu macam mana mau buat cucur from basic, so just buy the ready-made one. Lepas letak air, as usual lah, kita gaul dia. Okay, it's done and it smells good as well, so it's time for me to heat up. Okay, minyak pun sudah panas. It's time for us to fry them. And as you can see guys, it's not the same size. Why? Because I don't care. It's my Cucur Manis, so I get to decide what kind of shape, around or bintang or bulan, whatever it is. So yeah, frying right now. It's so simple. Oh, it looks good. You might be wondering, how to know if it's cooked? Huh? Well, ikut perasaan lah, and of course, don't wait until it's burned. So you should know how to, to decide when is the right time. So for me, I think I'll give it for another 30 seconds before it actually cooked. Alright, this is the second batch. Actually, I tried to make it smaller, but I realized it will just expand, and it looks like the way how, I don't know, like how big it is. So let me try one. See how's the taste. Sedapnya. Wow. Delicious. Very delicious. Okay guys, Cucur Manis is done. The next recipe that I will be preparing is cha tea. Cha tea, yes. Something like that. Hey guys, next recipe I will teach you is how to make chai tea. I get to know how to do it because I've watched Rosix and Bella's channel. Rosix and Bella are good friends. They have their own YouTube channel, and Bella happens to be Nelofa's sister. So they have a lot of recipes, and recipe dorang pun sangat easy. And one of the recipe yang saya belajar dari dorang is how to make chai tea. So bahan-bahan dia adalah teh. Of course air, nanti saya akan bawa kamu pergi tempat tu air. And then they have this Lipton tea, at least 7, and then coffee mate, susu pekat, and then gula dalam 2 sudu. And then is this what daun is this? What do you call this? It's optional actually. This is bunga cengkeh. Yes, I'm not sure whether it's still okay or not. And coffee mate, all of these bahan-bahan lah. I will bring you how to do it. Alright, just put in the water 7 uncang Lipton and wait until it changes color, but at the same time kamu gaul-gaul dia lah. You can see the pine. Alright, time to buat recipe saya buat dalam masa